Example 3 is saying if you drank 0.25 liters, how many milliliters would you have consumed? So our desired answer is wanting to know how many milliliters, right? So let's let that be out front here. Milliliters is going to equal. We need to get milliliters into liters, right? The conversion factor for that says that there is 1,000 milliliters equals 1 liter. We have to figure out which piece of that goes on the top. Go back to your desired answer. Desired answer is milliliters, so that means that we're going to put the 1,000 milliliters on top of 1 liter. Now that puts liters at the bottom, which means we need liters at the top of our next fraction. And they gave us 0.25 liters, so we can just pick that up, put it over a 1, and check your units. Before you start doing the math, check to make sure that those liters cancel. If you have a piece in the bottom and a piece at the top, those get to cancel. So we are just left with milliliters, which is our desired answer. So we're good to go. We can multiply the top times the top, and that's going to give us 250. The bottom is just multiplying it by 1. To divide 250 by 1, it's still going to be 250. So we don't worry about the bottom when it's all ones. So our 0.25 liters turns into 250 milliliters. And that was using dimensional analysis. If we wanted to go back and use the metric number line, then we can see that, let me slide that down, sorry. Using the metric number line, we are starting at 0.25 liters, that is our base, and we need to get out to the milliliters. So that is moving to the right 1, 2, 3 places. So if you go to the 0.25, take that decimal and move it to the right 1, 2, 3. You've got that blank space in there, right? So fill that in with the 0. So it's moved that decimal 1, 2, 3 places, and we need to fill in with a 0. So 250 milliliters.